Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Wednesday Wisdom, the first one of 2026, and Happy New Year to everyone viewing this video. These are short video snippets designed to answer questions you may have about estate planning, probate, or maybe other legal concerns that may be impacting your household. And for today's version, or video segment, I just wanted to kind of put this out there as I have seen just a boatload of pop-ups and banners related to estate planning in the new year, advertisements and all that. And I'm not knocking any of that. I know a new year, the start of a new year is typically a time where some of us, if not all of us, tend to want to regroup. We're refreshed, we're re-energized, and wanting to break old habits, old bad habits, and start new good habits, and take care of those things that we put off or didn't quite get to last year. So it's all understandable to see all these things popping up in January, and so I'm going to jump on that bandwagon and basically just say what I say all the time, every week, every month, is that if you haven't already done so, and I'm sorry, I keep shaking my little table here. If you haven't already done so, please, I implore you to get your affairs in order now, while you're healthy or mostly healthy, while you're mentally capable, while you're thinking about it, even though there may be some areas that need discussion with family members that I know this isn't the most comfortable thing to talk about. Putting an estate plan together, doing my last will and testament. I'm not ready to die. We're never ready because we don't know when that day is coming. So if you're already ready, you don't have to get ready. How does that saying go? You know what I'm saying. So, get it together. And thanks as always for watching. We'll see you next time.